Okay, if you want to create a QR code for Wi-Fi, you can easily create it. QR code composer. First of all, go to the page and find QR code for Wi-Fi. Write your Wi-Fi name, Wi-Fi type, and password. Input the record field and copy the shortcode. And now save the changes and create a page to view the front end. Okay, here create a page. QR code for Wi-Fi. Input the title name and now paste the shortcode. Your Wi-Fi composer, publish the page and then click view page. This is the QR code for Wi-Fi. If you can scan this QR code, you'll connect it with the Wi-Fi. Okay, if you want to create a more QR code for Wi-Fi, then you can use the shortcode attribute. Just copy the shortcode attribute docs for QR code Wi-Fi and just paste here. And here the change Wi-Fi name. Right, input your Wi-Fi name, Wi-Fi type, and Wi-Fi password. You can change the QR code size, input a different logo or color or QR background. And now update the page and click the view page to see the front end view. Okay, we go to the front end, refresh the page and see the another QR code for Wi-Fi. Another QR code generated by shortcode attributed. Okay, if you are Elementor user, you can create QR code for Wi-Fi with our built-in add-on. Let's check. Click to the Elementor editor and input the field Wi-Fi name, Wi-Fi type, and password. Here the QR code alignment, left, right, and center. This is the margin and route. Now we'll upload an image. Choose an image and upload. Here the image, and now enable the download button. When you click the download button, the download title will be the QR code name, Wi-Fi name. Now change the QR code color and add the output and just save the changes, update the page and click for preview. And here the QR code for Wi-Fi with generated by Elementor. That's it. That is final output. Okay, thank you.